Feeling constantly exhausted, empty, and unable to cope? You might hear it called burnout or depression. The symptoms overlap so much it's incredibly confusing. But understanding the difference is crucial. It changes the path to getting better. Welcome to the Health Sketchpad. I'm Dr. AB, and today we're drawing a clear map to distinguish burnout from clinical depression. The core difference can be summed up like this. Burnout is context-specific. It's a state of emotional, physical, and mental exhaustion caused by prolonged stress, typically from your work or caregiving role. Depression is pervasive. It's a clinical mood disorder that affects all areas of life, work, hobbies, relationships, often without a single external cause. One is often about too much. The other can feel like nothing at all. Let's look at roots. Burnout is primarily a stress response. It's your body and mind saying, I can't sustain this workload or these demands anymore. The problem is often in the environment. Depression is a malfunction in the brain's mood regulation systems, involving neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. The problem originates within the person's neurobiology, which then colors their entire world. The emotional core is different. Burnout is characterized by cynicism and detachment. I don't care about this job anymore. There's often anger and resentment. Depression is characterized by anhedonia, the inability to feel pleasure or interest in anything, including hobbies you once loved. It's a flat, numb emptiness, not just a detachment from work. This is a key test. With burnout, you might still find joy in weekends, friends, or hobbies. You just dread returning to the stress source. Your identity outside the stressful context remains intact. With depression, the low mood, loss of interest, and fatigue follow you everywhere. To the dinner table, the movie theater, time with family. It invades your entire sense of self. How you see yourself changes. In burnout, you feel ineffective and incompetent at the specific stressful task. I'm a bad worker. In depression, the thoughts are global and self-critical. Worthlessness, guilt, and hopelessness. I am a bad person. Things will never get better. Depressive thoughts are often irrational and pervasive. This is why the distinction matters for healing. Burnout often improves with rest, boundaries, and changing the stressful environment. For example, reducing workload. Depression typically requires professional treatment, like therapy, CBT, and sometimes medication, to address the underlying brain chemistry and thought patterns. Trying to wrest your way out of depression often doesn't work. It's critical to know they aren't mutually exclusive. Chronic, unaddressed burnout can be a major trigger for a depressive episode. The prolonged stress can dysregulate your nervous system and deplete your resilience, creating a doorway for depression to enter. This is why addressing burnout early is a form of preventive mental health care. If you see yourself here, please know this. Both are real, valid, and treatable states of suffering. Use this map to start a conversation with yourself or a professional. You are not weak, you're human, responding to overwhelming demands, or a brain needing support. Was this explanation helpful? Let us know in the comments. For more guides to navigating your mind, subscribe to the Health Sketchpad. Your clarity is the first step to feeling better.